and welcome to A's Linguistics. This channel is about all things linguistic. So let's see what we've got today. Fun facts about affixes. You know, you can affix an affix. This is called affixation. You affix an affix to a root or to a stem. Affixes are either derivational or inflectional, of course. Affixes are bound morphemes. So what this implies that they cannot form words by themselves, which is why they need to sit on a stem or root, right? A stem is a root plus 0 or more affixes. So the meaning of an affix is not as clear as that of a root, okay? It may sometimes be very difficult to figure out what an affix means until seen in context. A lot of times an affix does rather than means something. In every language, the number of affixes is limited, usually to a few hundred at most, while roots are abundant in the thousands in any given language. Affixes have no grammatical category of their own, yet the use of an affix is constrained by the grammatical category of the stem or root to which they attach. i.e., a given affix goes with a certain grammatical category rather than the others. In order to know how to use an affix, you need a morphological rule. So for example, the prefix im, it goes with an adjective and it gives you another adjective. Example, impossible, impossible. Or pre, it goes with a verb and it gives you a verb. For example, predetermined gives you predetermined. So pre doesn't have a category, but determined does. But what it attaches to does, which is determined here, determine, and then it gives you predetermined. Affixes may go so far as to change the grammatical category of the root or stem they attach to. They don't have a grammatical category. They are dependent on the grammatical category of what they attach to, but they can actually change the grammatical category. For example, so ly cannot just attach to any random thing. It cannot attach to a verb. It attaches to an adjective, but it gives you an adverb. So affixes are similar to roots in that both cannot be analyzed any further into component morphemes. It means every affix is just one morpheme. You can't break it into other morphemes. And that's actually also a property of roots. So roots are roots in the sense that they're different from stems. So you may be able to break a stem into component parts. You may break a stem into a root and an affix, but you can't break a root into more morphemes. Similarly, you can't break an affix into more morphemes. So the logical conclusion from this is that all primitive elements that are not roots are affixes, and you can say all primitive elements that are not affixes are roots. Thanks for your time and attention, and see you again soon.